got a couple repairs to do today. I'm gonna finish ripping Reaper first. This box contains a soundboard for Zombie Clown, which I will record the repair process of later on, and it also contains the gear that I need for Reaper of Souls. So hopefully, if everything goes smoothly, I should be able to get him patched up pretty quickly and he'll be fully working. However, I wouldn't exactly count on everything going as smoothly as I'm hoping. It's like a switch. That's cool. All right. Yeah, this is all the rest of Zombie Clown circuitry in here. But right now, what we need is this. Okay, where's his gearbox? It's in the bag. Forgot about that. All right. I got a new belt for him as well. I got that when I went to Skull Crane store on my last trip there, because that was when I grabbed the belt and I gave him the gear so that he could replicate it, and he successfully did that. So I've just got to get this thing apart again. I'm gonna grab a bigger screwdriver. That might make things easier. All right, this one might be a little too big, but let's try it and see. Okay, it's massive, but it works. Okay, there we are. Okay, cool. All right, everything came out pretty good. That's the old gear, actually. Where the fuck did the new one go? There it is. That seems like it might be okay. Suppose there's no way to tell until we try.
What?
Yeah? So, I have screwed it back together and I'm putting the belt on now. If it'll go on, and a screw just fell out, I think. Alright. This wiring is making me nervous. But whatever. I'm going to grab his control box and then I'm gonna plug him in and see how the motor works. Okay, I gotta bring your torso. Try not to fuck anything over. Okay, where is your motor wires? There they are. All right, let's see. I don't even know if the camera's picking this up, actually. Okay, I'll probably have to tap his relay switches, because the relay switches, unlike a normal mechanism, they're not in the gearbox itself. Like, that's how it works with, like, Untimely Death and Flaming Black Widow, things like that. Even, like, Salty, who has a similar motion. They are in his shoulders itself. So instead of the motor touching the relay, the brackets themselves touch the relay. Which basically means if I don't want this to snap again, I'm gonna have to push the relay switches myself. So let's see here. I'll have to see which ones I need to push, because I don't know which one is the fully open one and which one is the fully closed one, although I have my theories. Just spin this myself for a moment here so that it doesn't snap because it gets stuck. All right, I'm gonna jam my screwdriver in the closed relay. Seems like it's down. Okay, let's see. I can take the screwdriver out of there. I gotta touch the wires together.
May the demons of the underworld have mercy on your soul.
Huh?
Huh?
Why is the motor not working? The wiring's all together. Why is the motor not moving?
Foolish mortal, behold your destiny and despair.
Why is it just not even trying? Huh. So, maybe if I try holding the other relay?
If you think the dead rest in peace, think again.
Oh, what the hell? There we are. Was the belt too tight? That might have been it, actually.
May the demons of the underworld have mercy on your soul.
Alright, I at least know which one is the open and which one is the closed relay now. Apparently this belt was just too tight, so the thing wasn't, like, able to actually move. Maybe, hopefully now, since I got it loosened, it won't have that issue. If it still does, worst case scenario, I just go back to the old belt. Or maybe it was because it was resting on the belt. I don't know, maybe I'm just a colossal fucking dumbass. It's weak, but it reset. Huh. Okay. I'm actually gonna try to put them back together, because it seems to be not the strongest of things, but it's at least, like, not clicking as much. If the belt ends up slipping once I put the arms on, I will put the old belts back on, because I still have the old belt. I think the old belt was less of a concern than the old gear was, so let's try this. I'm gonna zip tie this on. Alright, that's still gonna rattle around, but whatever. Let's see about reassembling him. Okay, off camera, I just slipped another zip tie into his torso mechanism, or like the frame that holds it, because it was really close to falling off because one of the screws is stripped. Okay, this is either gonna work or it's gonna not, and it's gonna feed my depression for like a month.
Foolish mortal, behold your destiny and despair.
And lo and behold, this was a successful restoration. He is fully fucking working. Oh my god, I am delighted. Holy shit. I just gotta see if I can, pose his hands a little bit better so that they pull apart his chest a bit more.
If you think the dead rest in peace, think again.
It's like new.
May the demons
It's
of the
like new.
underworld have mercy on your soul.
I'll be damned. It's so, like, quiet, too. Holy shit.
Foolish mortal, behold your destiny and despair.
It fucking worked. Oh, it's so quiet. Oh my god. I fully restored a fucking Ripping Reaper. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna get them back together. And holy shit.